Welcome to this video on AutoSys Oracle OCI solution. This video will explain the Oracle OCI integration with AutoSys and its benefits for the AutoSys user community. We'll provide some technical insights to identify the integration components and understand the deployment sequence. We'll focus on the design and execution sequence of an Oracle OCI trigger start integration job. Finally, we'll run through a demo. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, is a cloud platform for running databases, services, and applications. Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, is a service within OCI that streamlines the connectivity between cloud-based and on-premises applications. OIC enables seamless integration of various applications, utilizing the resources and infrastructure provided by OCI. Integrating AutoSys with OCI allows you to start and monitor integrations within your Oracle OCI workspace directly from AutoSys, enhancing operational efficiency. AutoSys plays a central role in orchestrating operations across multiple environments, including the cloud, and synchronizing these processes with other non-cloud operations. Integrating Oracle OCI allows us to centrally configure process automation in AutoSys. Subsequently, we can start, trigger, monitor, and supervise all processes from a single interface. These Oracle OCI processes seamlessly sync with different environments supported by AutoSys, such as applications and databases. This integration allows you to execute and monitor Oracle OCI jobs through AutoSys. By leveraging AutoSys' advanced capabilities, you can accelerate your digital transformation efforts with greater success. Define your Oracle OCI and let AutoSys manage the scheduling of these workflows seamlessly. AutoSys lets us build configurations with intuitive interfaces and monitor them through simple dashboard tools specifically designed for operational use. Statuses are indicated, and accessing logs is as simple as clicking a button. From an operations perspective, AutoSys greatly simplifies the configuration and orchestration of Oracle OCI jobs. Externalizing operations to a tool with a high degree of third-party integration means we can synchronize all cloud with non-cloud workloads. Using various agents and job object types, we can build sophisticated configurations involving multiple applications, database packages, system processes like backups and data consolidation, file transfers, web services, and other on-premise workloads. The job submission sequence is relatively simple because all job definition properties are stored in the AutoSys plain old Java, or POJO job. All the target system properties, including the endpoint, start job REST API, client ID, client secret, scope, other parameters, are defined in the J2EE parameters. These parameters may vary depending on the authentication method used. Let's look at the sequence of execution. We start with the three main components: the AutoSys scheduler, the system agent, and the Oracle OCI server. The AutoSys scheduler submits the POJO job to the system agent. The system agent acknowledges the job from the scheduler and initiates communication with the Oracle OCI server. Authentication is then initiated, with the system agent posting OAuth 2 authentication depending on the specifications provided in the authentication J2E properties. In this video, we use OAuth 2 authentication with proxy, which combines a client ID and a client secret. AutoSys allows connections via proxy, providing additional flexibility and security when accessing Oracle OCI resources. Once authenticated, the agent submits the job to the Oracle OCI server as a POST request. The Oracle OCI server identifies and executes the matching job. The job execution returns a JSON response that contains the execution details. The Oracle OCI server and system agent monitor the job until it reaches its final state. Once the final state is obtained from Oracle OCI, the job status in AutoSys is updated accordingly as either canceled, succeeded, or failed. Let's look at how to deploy the integration. First, Ensure the Application Services plugin is installed as a prerequisite. The Application Services plugin and Pojo extension have the CFG extension. In older agent versions, you might encounter a PAK file instead. Next, download the plugin extension package from the marketplace. This package contains all the necessary elements. Unzip the package and extract the content into a temporary folder. Navigate to System Agent Install Directory. Next, we must stop the system agent with the CYB agent-s command. Install the plugin extension with the command plugin installer, system agent install directory/path to CFG file. Now, restart the system agent with the CYB agent-a command. Remember, this integration uses Oracle OCI Public REST API. Let's start by establishing communication with the Oracle OCI server. Once communication is established, we can proceed to execute the job. Let's dive into the world of applications and job execution within the Oracle OCI environment. Let's start with the demo. In the OCI console, you can find a wide range of integrations to choose from. If you wish to customize your integration style, simply click the Create button. In the world of integration, there are various options available. Let's take a closer look at the available integration options. First up, we have App-Driven Orchestration. This option is perfect for handling complex multi-step integration flows, allowing you to connect applications and data seamlessly. Next, we have Scheduled Orchestration. This option is ideal for setting up time-based triggers for your integrations, ensuring that your workflows run smoothly on schedule. Moving on to File Transfers, this option is crucial in moving files across networks efficiently, ensuring secure and seamless data transfer. Basic Routing simplifies application-to-application routing with its data mapping capabilities, making it easy to manage your data flow. You can easily publish messages from your applications on an OCI Publish or Subscribe channel, facilitating efficient communication within OCI. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to messages from OCI Publish or Subscribe channels to stay connected and informed. These integration options allow for streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity within the Oracle Cloud environment. Let's dive deeper into one integration within the Oracle Cloud. By clicking on an instance, you can view a graphical representation of its execution. In the integration, scheduling automates task execution, while the wait action parameter controls the execution flow by specifying the wait time before proceeding to the next action. The Properties tab provides essential details, and the Action Report tab shows the count of actions taken. After a 10-second delay, the integration transitions to the stop state. Now, let's log in to AutoSys for the next step in our demo. Click the Quick View tab to view the job definition. Select the job to open the job definition. The job employs OAuth 2 authentication using a proxy for the demo. When the job is open, click the Quick Edit button to view the required parameter. The first step in executing a job is to select the machine on which the job is to be executed. The first parameter is the class name, Oracle OCI, and the second is the method name, the Start Integration Job. Now, let's look at the gateway parameters. Understanding these gateway parameters is an essential part of the process. The endpoint parameter indicates where the Oracle OCI service resides. The auth endpoint parameter specifies the URL where OAuth authentication takes place. This URL ensures secure access to Oracle OCI resources by verifying user identities. Moving on to the client ID, it serves as a unique identifier used to generate a token for OAuth authentication. The client secret, on the other hand, is a confidential secret used to generate a token for OAuth authentication. The scope parameter determines the level of access granted to the application for accessing Oracle OCI resources. The version parameter specifies the version of OAuth being used. You can choose the OAuth version that best meets your requirements. The integration name specifies the integration name to be selected. The integration version specifies the version of the integration to be selected. The payload parameter specifies any additional JSON data that should be included with the request. If there is no additional data, this parameter can be left blank. Then we have proxy parameters. The proxy hostname specifies the hostname or IP address of the proxy server to which the connection is established. The proxy port indicates the port number the proxy server uses for communication. The proxy username is required for authentication with the proxy server. The proxy password is the password associated with the username for authenticating with the proxy server. The max retry parameter is crucial as it determines the maximum number of attempts the job status will be fetched from the Oracle OCI server for monitoring purposes. The sleep interval parameter specifies the duration of time the system agent should wait before querying the Oracle OCI API again to obtain the job status. In the event of a brief downtime experienced by the Oracle OCI service, the failure interval parameter comes into play. This parameter specifies the amount of time in seconds before failing the job due to API failure. Lastly, the log level parameter specifies the level of logging information that should be included in the log file. Once you have specified all the J2EE and other parameters, click Commit and close it. That completes the job definition. Let's now start the job. Once all the parameters are defined, select Start the job and click Go. To confirm the job's execution, click Yes when prompted. The current run number for the job is 1124. Upon refreshing, a new execution is triggered, increasing the run number from 1124 to 1128. A status of success indicates that the last execution was completed successfully. To access the spool files, simply scroll down on the user interface until you locate the spool files section. From there, select the desired file and click on the Go button. You will then be prompted to specify the number of lines you wish to display. Reports for all statuses are accessible for further investigation or utilization. As we examine the successful job, we can see that all parameters passed by the user, such as job details and authentication parameters, are displayed. Now, let's look at the job status in the Oracle OCI instance. The integration task was scheduled, triggered, and successfully completed in 11 seconds. Now, clicking on this instance shows a graphical representation of the task execution. And that's a wrap for the demo on how AutoSys can integrate with Oracle OCI to execute and monitor jobs. Thank you for watching this video.